Alright, let's go. So, going to immigration na kami. So, dito malalaman kung pasado ba lahat o may iiwan. Kinakabahan na yung tatlo. First time. Sipag na Iris. Nag-airport yan, no? Nag-laptop po, oh.
Ano mga tanong sa'yo?
Ay, ayan na, oh. Nakapasok din sa wakas.
Picture ng magkakasama tayo sa
Oh?
Actually, nakita ko na lang po yung video natin ng
Oh. Hindi ka nakita na magkasama tayo doon?
Ha?
Hindi kayo nakita na magkasama tayo?
Tinuro ko po kayo kung masabi. Kita mo siya na parang patunay na nasa office. Gusto niya makita yung office. Wala pa naman tayo.
So ayan, medyo si Rona yung napuruhan.
Nakay pa yung video no.
Si Joy ang naging smooth eh, kasi sumunod kay Iris eh.
Napaka ang ano lang po, never.
Pati kami, kinakabanding kami ni Commander eh. Kala namin may maiiwan. So okay naman, thanks God. So lusot kami lahat. So let's go, 239 Thailand. Let's go.
If you are seated next to an emergency.
So ito yung airport nila mga pa. 2 hours yung biyahe. Galing Pilipinas, papunta na Bangkok, Thailand mga pa. So nadaan muna kami sa immigration bago makalabas. Alright, success mga paps. Dito na kami sa loob ng Thailand airport. So no worries na, no problem. Nakapasok na kami ng Thailand. So ayan na sila, wala nang kakabahan pa. So mag-enjoy na lang kami sa travel namin.
Guys, wag ka pa rin okay na ako.
Pwede kami. So one day in Thailand. Let's go! Nag-withdraw muna kami mga paps kasi wala kaming dalang Thailand money. So ito yung pera nila dito. Parang 10 piso lang sa atin noon. So yan yung sundo natin, John Montana. So siya pala nagiging tour guide namin hanggang sa matapos yung biyahe. Ayan, in-orient na kami kuya.
The breakfast inside the hotel. Finish your breakfast and stay at the hotel lobby. 9 o'clock I be there for your city tour. And after we return back, you have the free time for shopping, for wine, and in the evening we will go for the dinner cruise.
Ito yung service namin mga paps. Ayan. Palabas na kami ng airport. Punctuala.
Today is working day,
Yeah.
Monday.
Okay. So expect the traffic.
Yeah, let's see.
So what can you say about the traffic? It's
It's like Manila.
yeah, it's like yeah.
It's the same, yes, correct.
Just the same. Punctuala. Okay, so dito na kami sa Talaw Hotel.
Just leave your racket and
Oh, first day in Taiwan. Oh, ito yung hotel namin, Tarawis Hotel. So mamaya tatanungin natin si Commander kung magkano yung bayad check-in.
yes, they will give you the ticket.
Okay.
And after 2 p.m. you can return back here for checking in.
Let's go!
So how much the hotel?
Okay?
Yeah.
My car can drop.
So kain muna kami first day in Thailand. So mga mura daw yung mga damit dito. Nang convert mo nga nang magkano yan? Yung 200 magkano yan? So ito yung mall nila dito mga paps. Okay mo tayo. 6th floor daw ang kainan, di ba? So, dito na kami sa 6th floor. May mga kainan. Thai food. So, hanap tayo mga paps. Paborito mo mahal, may kumain niya. Tamis kaya yan? Mamaya na. Dahil pagkain dito mga paps. Mukhang bawal na naman yung diet dito. Ang sasarap oh. Ang sira na naman yung diet dito ah. Sa dulo, mandami pa doon, no? Sa unahan. Meron tayo niyan doon, huwag ka na yan. Dunkin Donut. So, may mga kainan pa doon, no? Gutom na, gutom. Wow. Salmon, oh, sarap. Sarap nito. So, mura lang siya mga paps. 10 lang. 10 baht. Hanggang dito hotdog pa rin siya. Oh. Okay, so may nakita na kami ito, barbecue mga paps, chicken barbecue. So, first day in Thailand, itong ulam namin. Nakita ko sa inyo. Ihaw, daming pagkain dito mga paps. Daming choices. So, makain tayo. Mga paps. Coba. So, going back to the hotel na kami. At medyo pagod na, gastos pa kanina, pwede na mag-check-in. So, inaabot kami ng 2 oras sa labas. So, pahinga muna kami mga paps. Balik kami sa hotel na. So, dito kami sa isang street ng Chalang. Taka. So, ang ganda ng bili yung sombrero. Sakto, mainit. So, nakadala ng sombrero. So, ito na yung sombrero natin. So, ito yung hotel namin dito mga paps. Tarawish Hotel. So, papasok pa lang kami. Kanina, iniwan na namin yung malita namin.
Anong floor tayo? 10? 10 din? Babalik. Pag-touch natin, so kailangan ko maubusan sa airport.
So, ito na yung room namin mga paps. Good for 2, 1.5 isang araw mga paps. Tapos yung good for 3 ay 3.5 daw mga paps. So, yun, kung magdi-DIY ka, hindi ka nadadaan sa mga travel agency. So, pwede ka dumiretso, magpa-reserve. So, ito yung good for 2, tig-isang bed. Ayan. Tapos yung room niya, may TV naman. So, may CR na rin. Ayan, maganda siya mga paps, malinis siya. So, ito yung good for 3 nila na rooms. Ayan. Oh, mas malaki. Dalawa doon sa dito. So, ayan. Pasok na girls. Pahinga na tayo. Pahinga na. Day 1 in Thailand. Mukhang ikalang araw na. Mga haggard na.
Sige
So, pahinga muna. Let's go. So, naglalakad kami mga paps papunta sa night market. Yan, let's go. Night market tayo mga paps. First night natin dito sa Thailand. So, parang ano sa Divisoria mga paps. Marami sa paninda. Bawat kanto, ayan o. Ang dami mga paps. Sa mga paps, so, 100 baht. Okay, so hanap kami ng makainan. Thailand Bat Shop. Lahat sandaan. Oh, mga pasalubong yata dito. Lahat sandaan. Oh. Ayan, mga kainan nila mga paps. Makakain tayo dito.
How many person?
Maybe 2 person each. 2 person. Yeah.
So, pang 2 tao mga paps. Bawat order. Lipat tayo, dito tayo. Mukhang masarap dito. Ayan. Welcome! First dinner in Thailand. Sawadee krap. Ano? Masarap? Grabe. Tikman mo nga, Joy. Tumingin ka din. Kailangan may reaction ka kung masarap ko yun. Anong lasa? Oh.
Parang siya lasang air freshener.
So, Sawadee krap. Oh, Sawadee krap. Oh. Ayan, matakot na si Iris. Matakot si Iris. Yo guys, good morning. For today's video, we're going to city tour dito sa Thailand, Bangkok mga paps. So, second day namin ngayon. So, we're going around to the city. Sila pa rin kasama ko, yung 4 na ladies. So, dito na yung service namin. Ayan. So, hanggang alas 2 lang daw ito mga paps. Or 1 PM mga paps. So, half day lang siya mga paps. So, let's go. So, city tour. Go inside. Yeah, go inside.
Thailand and Philippines, it look very similar. But just only the temple, because we are the Buddhists, you are the Christian.
Yeah, Christian.
We going to visit
Buddhist sila
some
mga
of the
paps.
temple inside the city area.
Maraming Buddhist.
This temple is constructed by King number 5. If you look at the money, this one is King number 10. Is the peasant king number 10.
Okay.
Number 10. And the first temple that we going to visit is by number 5. It's around 120 years ago.
Oh.
Because it's the tradition for the king after he ascend to the throne, he must to construct one temple. One king, one temple. Because after he passed away for the Buddhists, we have the cremation ceremony to burn down the body and keep the ashes inside the temple.
Yeah.
I will show you what we do with our ashes when we get inside the temple. We have so many ways to do.
Okay.
And it takes about 20 minutes from here to the first stop. Because you in front of you right now, you can see no high sky building. Because this area is the area for the royal family. This area you can see all around this area, not around construction the high sky building because of the security reason. The king have so many palaces, not only one. But at the corner over there is the main one. Because this one is 1 kilometer square, and in front you will see the man. But you can see from outside because if you look, it look like the public park. You cannot see anything because the building is in the center. You just can see beside no big building. 100% cannot construction.
Okay, ito yung first stop namin mga Babs sa city tour namin, ang temple. Okay, so let's go inside. So dito na tayo mga Babs sa isang famous nila na temple dito sa Thailand. Ito yung pang 5th temple. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung temple na to yung mga Babs ay gawa siya sa purong marble mga Babs, na galing sa Italy. Ayan. So take off the shoes, going inside. So marami ditong mga Buddha.
Like this, but sometimes you can see the big Buddha. And you can walk around.
Anong history nito, Neng?
The skinny Buddha.
Ha?
The skinny Buddha.
So
He
bakit?
doesn't want to eat.
Oh? Grabe. So marami ditong mga Buddha mga Babs. Yan yung makikita mo sa loob. Ayan sila. Ito mga naglalakad, dating Buddha rin to.
If you see the temple, you will see the sharp roof like this.
Ito yung mga buhay na Buddha. Ayan ang mga Buddha. So, nakaano tayo pa. Bawal yung sapatos.
So you can see the big door and the sharp roof like this because of the air. Can flow in, flow out. Back to the van, 950. Okay, your feet up. If you want to take a photo. No problem.
Pero meron ng event sa malapit.
So next stop namin, punta kami dito by boat naman. So let's go, second stop na tayo mga Paps. So dito na tayo sa isang temple, pangalawang spot namin mga Paps. So ito yung pangalawang stop namin mga Paps. Ayan, tatawid kami sa kabila para doon sa temple na yon. Sawadee-krap. Pag tumagal-tagal pa, nakakahilo na. No? So, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's go. So, dito na tayo sa pinaka-sentro ng temple. Ayan mga ladies, nagpapa-picture. Ayan. Hello. From Thailand, but the face is from China. Just kidding. It's locally Thailand. Sira na naman sa salamin nyo mga Paps. Wala na. Para si Gian din. Tingnan nyo ang view mga Paps. So ito yung view niya mga Paps sa taas. Ayan. O, tapos na tayo doon sa second stop natin mga paps. Ayan. So next natin, Gems Market. Gems Market, the next stop.
Yeah. Because if you want this kind of the product you cannot buy at the market because
It's exclusive.
no, because maybe is a man-made stone. This one is the
It's
natural.
authentic.
This one is the natural stone. Because Thailand
Doon tayo pupunta.
factory to do this. You will see.
Aaron, so dito tayo sa loob ng Gems Gallery. Yan. So nagtutour tayo sa mga gems sa loob. Elepante ng Martina Gian Luela, oh, elephants. Gusto nyo sumakay dyan?
เรียนเชิญครับท่านที่อยากจะถ่ายรูปกับน้องช้างนะครับในระหว่างที่เราเวลาในการแสดงของช้างครับท่านละ100 บาทนะครับโดยใช้กล้องใช้โทรศัพท์มือถือขอเสียงปรบมือกับนักแสดง谢谢，高工长，什么都可以呀。
just sitting up there, holding on the high feet, up here. And then send the universe. We're meeting all together. Okay, everyone, let's go down here this way. Okay, be careful.